Hello viewers, many people actually want to know about the next sale date when they can buy their favorite tablets. Last month we saw Republic Day sale and it was a very good sale, but many people have missed the chance of buying their favorite gadgets. Actually the next sale will come on Flipkart on 15th of February and that will last up to 19th of February. In that sale you can buy your favorite tablets as well as smartphones and many other gadgets. That sale will be called Mobile Bonanza sale. However, I don't think that it will be a great sale for tablets because already in Republic Day sale many people have got their favorite tablets at the best price. So in this sale the price may be on the higher side. So if you want to buy any tablet, you have to be ready when the sale will start. Just click on the buy button if you get the favorite tablet at the best price, because the price will definitely increase after 1 or 2 days. So if you are planning to buy any tablet, maybe iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or MI Pad 6 or Redmi Pad Pro or Poco Pad 5G, Oneplus Pad or any other tablet, in that case you have to be ready with your cards, though Flipkart has not yet mentioned which card will be available for discounts. Maybe HDFC Bank or Axis Bank or ICICI Bank card can be available on that sale when you can get up to 10% of discount or maybe higher discount. Also, one thing you have to keep in mind that you must know the best price of each and every tablet. If you don't know the best price of any tablet, you may have bought your favorite tablet at a higher price, and after some days when the price will decrease you will regret of buying that tablet. Actually I have made many videos in which I have mentioned the best price of each and every tablet. So if you want to know the best price of each and every tablet, you can watch those videos, or I will make another video about the best price of each and every tablet. So let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the best price of all the tablets, so that you can have a clearer idea about the best price of each and every tablet. In some of my last videos I have clearly made a comparison video between iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you are planning to buy any of these two tablets, you can watch that video. You will have a better idea whether you should buy those tablets or iPads or not. So get ready to get the best deals on 15th of February 2025, and let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet and want to know the best price of any tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.